The oratory, na so Mami, for that side for Buea. What happen? Oh, I don't know. 32 years old woman. 32 years old woman wey supposed to get sense for it. You know, get enough sense for do that kind of thing. It's small pikin. The woman name na Victory. Let me say Victorine, Victory, and which one I want them. Now is 7-year pikin. Atom. Sote that pikin Ikwara. Na Crete TV for that side for Buea. He send that news. He said that woman be the over-discipline that pikin with force and brutality. He just say he be get some frustration. And that frustration, he be na only for way he go put on top that pikin. And when knock that pikin, they carry that pikin, crack, put her for taxi, brum. They reach now for Buea Regional Hospital. Now for Buea Regional Hospital, where doctor them, they discover say the pikin, he don't die. Now, what damn them, for that side for Buea, they don't open inquiry, enquete, for know the exact cause for the pikin, he died. And then they say, now the second pikin, where he die, for that side, for Sika say Papa and Mami, he brutalize. And then other one too don't happen, for this side, for littoral, for loom, where some parent, a beat pikin, sote, a quaram. So as I talk for una now, Victorine, a day for hand for police them. They don't lucky. Yes, they don't lucky. He go talk and then he go sing for day. I sure say governor go carry go far away so that may they try punish he, may know what he do, he not correct. Tori